Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. My name is Noriel G. Francia from Bapos 3F. In this video, I will explain short about criminal procedure and the importance of it. Next is when the accused did not voluntarily surrender. So, what is criminal procedure? Criminal procedures refers to a legal process that governs how criminal cases are handled, from the initial investigation and arrest of suspect to a trial and potential appeals. It encompasses the rules of and regulation that dictate how law enforcement official, prosecutor, defense attorney, judge, and other parties involved in the criminal justice system must conduct themselves during course of a criminal case. Criminal procedure ensures that the rights of the accused are protected and the legal process is fair and just. What is the importance of criminal procedure? The importance of criminal procedure lies in ensuring that the rights of individual accused of the crime are protected, maintaining the fairness and integrity of the legal system and facilitating the proper administration of justice. Next, when the crime is murder and the accused did not voluntarily surrender. In case where the crime is murder and the accused does not voluntarily surrender, law enforcement agencies typically intensify their efforts to locate and apprehend the individual. This can involve issuing nationwide alert, coordinating with the other agency, and utilizing various resources to track down the suspect. The seriousness of the crime may result in a more aggressive pursuit and investigation to ensure the accused is brought to justice. This can involve issuing warrant of arrest, conducting investigation to locate the accused, and potentially leading to pursuit or capture by law, enforcing over the legal consequence for the voluntary surrendering can vary depending on the circumstances and the legal system in places. When the accused does not surrender voluntarily and fight with the authorities, it can lead to a situation where law enforcement may need to use force to apprehend the individual. This can result a physical altercation or standoff between the accused and the authorities. In such cases, the authorities are trained to use appropriate force to subdue the individual while minimizing the risk of harm to both accused and law enforcement office. Additionally, resisting arrest or fighting the authority can lead to additional charge and legal consequences for the accused.